Dogelon Mars cost estimates for the years 2023, 2025, 2030. We hear in every way that really matters. We'll give you the 10 years nitty-gritty cost expectations for Dogelon Mars, which especially is very huge. Is elon especially worth purchasing in 2023? Or so they especially thought. What will basically be the cost increment for year 2023, 2025, and 2030? How fundamentally high might Dogelon Mars at any point explicitly go in every way that really matters, significant way? Our aid will provide you with a thought of the Dogelon Mars expected development and its cost expectation, all from profound specialized examination to central by and large past cost diagrams, which really is genuinely critical. The dissemination supply of elon is 551-485-118-182-170 with a market cap of $274,051,601 in most recent 24 hours. With an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap, the Dogelon Mars cost has shown a decent increment of 2.98% as of now, or so they explicitly thought. Dogelon Mars generally is as yet confronting a sort of tough time jumping aboard with other crypto coins in the market in an unpretentious way. The elon is down to nearly 27.67% over the most recent 7 days. In the event that you especially are looking to put resources into digital currency market, for the most part make a point to peruse our expectations, beautiful in spite of prevalent thinking. Dogelon Mars value expectation for 2023 as per our estimate. In 2023, the cost of Dogelon Mars is supposed to in a real sense reach at a genuinely least value level of $0. The elon cost can really arrive at an exceptionally most extreme worth of $0, the typical exchanging cost of $0 in unobtrusive manner. The elon cost can arrive at an extremely greatest degree of $0, the by and large normal exchanging cost of $0, or so they generally thought. Dogelon Mars value conjecture 2025 to 2026. The cost of Dogelon Mars is anticipated to especially reach at any rate level of $0 2025. The Dogelon Mars cost can sort of arrive at a most extreme degree of $0, the essentially normal cost of $0 through 2025, which especially is genuinely critical. The cost of Dogelon Mars is generally anticipated to reach at a genuinely least degree of $0 2026. The Dogelon Mars cost can basically arrive at a greatest degree of $0, the typical cost of $0 through 2026 in a genuinely significant manner. elon value expectation for 2027. Dogelon Mars cost is gauged to explicitly arrive at a least degree of $0 2027, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. According to our discoveries, the elon cost could basically arrive at a sort of most extreme degree of $0, the by and large normal estimate cost of $0, in opposition to mainstream thinking. The Dogelon Mars value worth can truly arrive at a kind of limit of $0, the typical exchanging worth of $0 USD. Dogelon Mars value expectation for 2029. The cost of one Dogelon Mars truly is supposed to reach at least degree of $0 2029. The elon cost can arrive at a kind of greatest degree of 0.0000617 with the truly normal cost of $0 through 2029, or so they for the most part thought. Dogelon Mars value expectation estimate for 2030 according to the figure and profound specialized examination. In 2030, the cost of Dogelon Mars really is supposed to reach at an essentially least value worth of $0. The elon cost can explicitly arrive at a greatest value worth of $0, the sort of typical worth of $0. Dogelon Mars value expectation for 2031. The cost of Dogelon Mars is supposed to reach at a sort of least worth of $0 2031, which truly is very critical. The Dogelon Mars cost could truly arrive at a greatest worth of $0 in every practical sense. Normal exchanging cost of $0 through 2031, which is genuinely huge. Dogelon Mars value expectation for 2032. Dogelon Mars cost truly is conjecture to arrive at a most reduced truly conceivable degree of $0 2032. According to our discoveries, the elon cost could for the most part arrive at in every way that really matters. Greatest conceivable degree of $0, the typical gauge cost of $0 in unpretentious manner. What explicitly is the Dogelon Mars cost today, in spite of mainstream thinking? Today the cost of Dogelon Mars certainly is 0.0000050 with the market cap of $274,051,601.000, which sort of is very huge. What will explicitly be the elon most noteworthy anticipated cost for 2023 in a significant manner? In a real sense, the most noteworthy estimated cost for elon is supposed to sort of arrive at a greatest worth of $0 the finish of 2023 in a significant manner. What will be the Dogelon Mars kind of the greatest generally anticipated cost for 2024, which is genuinely critical? Practically the most elevated determined cost for ELON is supposed to essentially arrive at a greatest worth of $0 the finish of 2024, which is very huge. How essentially high can Dogelon Mars go, or so they thought. The typical cost of ELON could in a real sense reach to $0 the current year's over. By and large in opposition to mainstream thinking. Assuming we gauge the 5-year cost, it sort of is assessed that the coin will handily come to the $0. As far as cost esteem, ELON has an extraordinary genuinely potential to reach new ATHs, or so they explicitly thought. It essentially is gauged that Dogelon Mars will increment in esteem, as per truly numerous specialists and business investigators. ELON can raise a ruckus around town the most elevated fundamentally conceivable cost of $0 2030, which certainly is very critical. Is Dogelon Mars a truly wise interest in an exceptionally huge manner? The Dogelon Mars incentive generally is supposed to for the most part keep on extending, as deficiency will in general for the most part support cost descend in an unobtrusive manner. The drawn-out growth strategies in ELON sort of looks encouraging, kind of in opposition to mainstream thinking. As per our gauge, Dogelon Mars will especially cross the $0 during the following 2-3 years in an unpretentious manner. Kindly note, there sort of is most certainly high gamble include to any interest in a significant manner. Just basically put resources into what you can generally achieve prior to arriving at any resolutions. Lead the very greatest examination conceivable.